Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my video. So, time check, it's 3:13 in the morning. Madaling araw na. So, today I'm going to show you how to install a Telegram app and AnyDesk application on your Linux Mint. By the way, I'm using Linux Mint, the latest version. If you want to know or to learn how to download Linux Mint, just watch the last video that I uploaded. I'm going to put the link in the description box below, so just watch it if you want to learn how to install it. So today, let's start. Because it's already 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm using Simple Screen Recorder to record my screen. First, let's install the Telegram application. Let's go to the terminal. It is located at the bottom part of our screen, and then just type this command, just copy it, and then let's paste it in here to install the Telegram application. And then it's asking you to proceed with these changes in our system installation. Why? And it's now installing. It takes time to install. This is my first time installing application because I'm using Telegram only on my phone. Installation complete. Here. So let's see it if it's already installed. To check it, let's go to the menu and then internet. See, it's already installed. Let's open it. And there you are. It's very easy to install. Just put this command in here, just copy it, and then you can already install it. So now we're going to install the AnyDesk application in our Linux again. So to do that, let us go to the web browser. We're using Firefox web browser, and then type AnyDesk desktop download and click to the main page of the AnyDesk, and here we're going to see Windows, Mac, Android OS, and we're using Linux. Click Linux, and then here scroll down. You're going to see the versions of Linux. We're using Linux Mint 64-bit, so click download. It's now downloading. I bet it's not now. Now it's done. Let's open the file and then just click it. here, it's going to appear that the AnyDesk, and click the install package button here, and it's going to ask you for a password. Now it's installing. Now hungry. Let's see. It's now same version is installed. It's done now. Let's see if it's already installed. Menu here, AnyDesk. As you can see here, it's already installed. And that's it. It's already done. And that is how to install Telegram and AnyDesk application on Linux Mint version. I hope you learned. It's already 3:34 in the morning, so I'm just going to edit this video and upload it immediately. Thank you for watching.